This is a very simple dish. I love it. It goes great on Christmas morning. This is called a Strata. It is basically a savory bread pudding, and it makes a great breakfast. I have a dozen eggs. Now I whisk these up really well, and to that I'm gonna add just about half a cup of heavy cream. The heavy cream is going to increase the coagulation temperature of the eggs, which is gonna allow it to cook thoroughly all the way through and also not dry it out. Once those are whisked up, go to your local grocery store. These are crostini. They're cheap, they're easy, and they work great. Now you're gonna take your crostini and you're gonna lay these pieces out in the bottom of your casserole dish. Ideally, we want this to rest overnight before we bake it. I've got some Hatch green chilies, fantastic. You can use any kind you want. This is ham. This is leftover ham. I put it in the freezer from Thanksgiving. Works great. Now, if you don't like these ingredients, folks, you can put just about anything you want in here. Breakfast sausage, some sauteed onions, different types of cheese, hard cheese, soft cheese, whatever you like. The key is whatever meat you put in here, make sure it is pre-cooked. On top of our filling ingredients, we are just gonna pour our egg mixture. Now, I did add a little salt and pepper to the egg mixture, but I'm gonna add a little bit more on top right there. Last, cheese of your choice. Store this in the refrigerator overnight. Our Strata has been soaking for 12 hours. We're gonna see that those crostini have all really absorbed all the egg and they've really fluffed up and puffed up. I'm gonna give a couple simple slits in the foil. I'm gonna place that casserole dish in a baking sheet, and I'm just gonna pour enough water to easily cover the bottom of the sheet. This is gonna allow some steam inside the oven. This is called cooking in a water bath. We're gonna bake that at 350 degrees. Don't forget to preheat your oven. 45 minutes with the foil on. We're gonna remove it, we're gonna take the foil off, replenish the water if it's all evaporated, and cook for another 15 minutes uncovered. So the Strata's been in here for about an hour. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna show you what we're looking for to make sure it's complete and it's cooked all the way through. If you're worried, you can grab a meat thermometer, check for an internal temperature of about 155, maybe 160 degrees. And you're gonna see most of the water from the water bath has evaporated. That's a good thing. We want to add a little bit of steam inside of our oven to keep this thing moist. Before we serve this up, I love to put just a little dollop of sour cream on top. Just a few chives. And last, this is a green tomatillo salsa. You can use whatever you want. Right over the top. Happy holidays!